Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to find Gmail account by phone number. Friends, if you have forgotten your old Gmail ID and want to know all the Gmail IDs made by using your phone number, then you need to open account.google.com in your web browser. Now here if you are already logged in to some Gmail account, then you need to click on use another account. Now on the sign in page you need to click on forgot email. Now here you need to enter your phone number. Now after entering your number, click on next. Now here enter your complete name. Make sure to enter surname and click on next. Now here Google will send a verification code to your number, so click on send. Now here enter the code received on your phone number and click on next. Now here it will show a list of all the email IDs opened on gmail.com using your phone number. So friends, like this you can very easily find Gmail account by phone number. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.